Hey guys, Omarete Vilato here, the Basement Production. This video gonna be a follow up of the other video that I created regarding my windshield wiper motor. Remember that I told you that it was not working? Well, guys, guess what? I went to the mechanic to replace it, to try to fix it, and like I mentioned before, I paid $173 for the mechanic to diagnose the problem, which I already knew what was the problem. So I went up giving someone $173 just to tell me something that I already knew. That's what I mentioned to you guys, to do your own research, do your own investigation, and try to do it yourself. Otherwise, you're gonna end up spending the money that I was about to spend. I asked the mechanic how much it would cost me the entire job to do it. So do the math. $173 to diagnose the problem. He was going to charge me $180 per motor. That's $360. Plus $130 for labor. Each hour costs you $130, right? So I guarantee you that something that will take, I could say, half an hour, depending on your expertise. He probably would do it like in 3 hours. So I wouldn't end up paying close to $1,000 in something that is really not that expensive. So I got worried a little bit. As you could see, I haven't fixed the windshield wiper yet. But what I did was, yesterday, I ordered the motor because I decided I was going to do it myself. I was going to take the chance. So I ordered the motor, 2 of them, and I paid, guess what? Remember that I mentioned that the mechanic was going to charge me $180 per motor. That would be $360. I paid $234, including tax, for both motors. I mean, I saved closely to almost $160, $150 roughly. I saved also almost $230 in labor, $260. I also saved some extra. I could easily say that I probably saved around $600. I'm gonna try it myself. I'm gonna do it myself, and check this out. These are motors. It took 24 hours for them to deliver the motors to me. They arrived today, and I'm gonna disassemble all the front part of it. They call them the cowl, C-O-W-L, I think. I'm gonna disassemble it. I'm gonna take the windshield out. I'm gonna take this part out, which you already saw in the first video, and I'm gonna install the motor. And if it's not the motor, that means that it's something else. And I will return the motors back, get my money back, and then look to see if there's another issue around the car. But for now, I'm gonna try it. So stay tuned for more. Omarete Vilato, the Basement Production. Okay guys, there you have it. This is the new motor that just came. That's the new one, just arrived. So let's hope let's hope that this is the right one, that is still fit in the socket. There you have it. The connectors. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what happens. So I'm gonna keep you posted. So stay tuned for more. sometimes you have to wiggle it back and forth to be able to remove the wiper. So that's what I'm doing right now. Now I'm gonna take the whole cover up. You take the whole thing. They got a few clips over here in the sides, as you can see. I'm gonna remove those clips. The little clips, I remove those little clips, and the top cowl to pop up easier. So let me double check that nothing. Make sure this is good. There we go. We'll pop it up. Now I'm gonna remove this. This one right here, I got few screws, which I'm gonna remove it. Let me remove this, which is the brake reservoir. You have to remove that as well. Okay, as you can see, guys, I already installed the new windshield wiper. This is the left side. That's the new one. Has a plug in the back. I already plug it in. That's the new windshield wiper motor. If we come over here, if you see over here, that's what I was talking about. This whole area right here is called a cowl, COWL if I'm not mistaken. And they have two pieces that you remove in order to install the windshield wiper, in order to install the battery. And this is the other side of the motor. This is what I'm talking about. This is the plug right here that goes into the wiper motor. I don't know if you can see it from the back. And over there is, if you see that hole, that's what's supposed to be installed or inserted. That's where the right side goes. Okay. And this is the pieces, the cowl that I was talking about, that I removed from here. Okay. Now I got the other piece, the other motor, which I'm gonna install the other side. I'm gonna install in a little bit. So that's what I gotta finish. So hopefully it will work. One more thing, guys, I will repeat on my videos. If you don't know what you're doing, guys, just work on it, and idea is gonna start flowing. Idea is gonna start flowing once you start working on your project. So I'm gonna keep you posted when I put the second windshield motor. This is the other motor. This is the right size. It says it right here. It says it right there. Right side. Okay. So I'm gonna install it, and then I'm gonna hopefully once it's installed. This is plug and play. This is basically plug and play. This is nothing to it. I'm gonna plug it in. I'm gonna connect the windshield wipers, and hopefully that will work. So let's see. Like I said, 2 screws and you're good to go. Both motors are installed. As you can see, got the right side and I got the left side. What I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to assemble the whole thing. I'm not gonna test it because I'm nervous. I'm gonna assemble the whole thing, and hopefully you will see it when I turn them on. Hopefully this stuff works, and let me test it right now. Guys, I don't know if you were able to see that, but they work. So let me just connect the whole thing back, and stay tuned for more. Omarete Vilato, the basement production. I'm so excited. This stuff is looking promising. So let me put everything back. It's getting cold, and hopefully you will see the wipers working. Thank you for watching. One more thing, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Omarete Vilato, the basement production. Click the notification bell so every single video that I make go directly to you. Leave your comment down below if you have a better method. Once again, thank you for watching Omarete Vilato, the basement production. Okay guys, as you can see, it's snowing. Thank God I did this before it started snowing heavily. I already got this stuff where I need it to be. I'm just gonna put the screws, which is the first cowl that goes underneath. I'm gonna put the screw in, and hopefully we're ready to go. Like I said, this is the old 2 motors. I replaced them with the new ones. So let's get cracking before it's too late. Okay. Nothing to it, guys. Nothing to it. I'm not a mechanic. I just did my own research, my own investigation, and I got it. And I got it to work. And I got it to work. Now I'm gonna connect the reservoir where it's supposed to go. It's right there. Very straightforward, guys. Very straightforward. I'm trying not to edit the video as a whole. I'm trying to let you see what I'm doing, so like that if you encounter this type of issue, you could know you could know what you're doing. You know, this is good to go. Now what I'm doing next, I'm installing the second one, which you go like this. Very simple stuff. Very simple stuff. Go like that. Press it down. Press it down. The windshield wipers. This stuff says right hand go over there and left hand go over here. How do you know which one is which? This one has like a curve, so you know that's going to be in your right side. Okay, so let's put it in there. Let's clean this up. Like I said, this stuff has a mark on your windshield, like an eye, like an eye symbol, and you have to align your windshield, your windshield with that mark right there. It's right there. So let's see how it goes, guys. Gonna connect this stuff like this. Let's align it. Perfect. That's where it goes. Let's put the screw in, which is this right here. Man, it's gonna look better. I hope this stuff works. I know it's gonna work. I know it's gonna work. that look good, guys. That stuff look good. Now, like I mentioned, this stuff has little caps that goes here and inside. One there. One there. Guys, there you have it. It has been installed. Now, the most important thing, I'm going to test it. So, let's see what happens, guys. Finger crossed. Let's see what happens. Something went wrong. I think I know what it is. Something went wrong. Let me get back to it, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. Stay tuned for more. Okay, guys, like I mentioned, I was having some little issues with the wiper. After I installed them, they work, but not the wiper itself. As you could see, I took the wipers again from both motors, because the wipers motor, this arm right here, need to be in a resting position. So I had to adjust it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the car on. I'm gonna turn the wiper on. I'm gonna let it go around for one or twice, and then I'm gonna turn off the wiper before turning on the car. So like that, this arm right here could be in a resting position, and then it could work. So let's give it a try. As you can see, guys, the wipers are moving. See? They are moving. So what I'm gonna do is, now I'm gonna turn off the wiper before turning off the car, so like that it could come to a resting position and I could get them to work. So stay tuned for more. Guys, finger crossed. Let's hope this stuff works. It's cold. If not, I'm gonna have to leave it for another day. So let's hope this stuff works, guys. Stay tuned. I'm gonna turn it on right now and let's see what's going on. You know what? I'm gonna put my glove. Guys, there you have it. I'm so excited. The wiper worked. I was able to fix it. Like I said, when you don't know what you're doing and you start doing something, ideas gonna start flowing, guys. Thank you for watching. Omarete Vilato, the Production. Stay tuned for more. I'm so excited.